What's going on, everyone? Game time, and today I'm going to open another box of Panini Threads. I've done a couple of these and didn't feel like I got anything all that great, so I decided to give it one more shot. There are only 3 cards in the box, so either you get something good or you don't. And one is a 5x7 box topper memorabilia card. Says you find one stunning, it's not just a box topper memorabilia card, it's a stunning box topper. So is that, and then you get just some little regular size base cards, and yep, that's about it. There are some very nice rookie box toppers, which is what made me decide to give this another shot. This is found, well, if you can find it. I haven't seen it at Walmart, but I've seen it at Target, and I got this from Target online. So Target.com, and it's the same price as a blaster box, so it's not very expensive. So there is, this is the setup. My 5x7 card and my little mini pack. Alright, let's start with the, I guess, the mini pack. You can get parallels and numbered cards in the mini pack, and you can get some really nice rookies, so let's see. We have Zach Randolph for the Kings, a TJ Leaf rookie parallel. Good looking card there, numbered to 199. And then a Malik Monk base rookie. So 2 rookies out of the little pack. Alright, let's check out our big card. Hoping for somebody good. Give me somebody good. Alright. I see Utah Jazz. Could it be? Nope, Tony Bradley. It is a rookie, but not the one I thought I was about to see for the Jazz. But it's an incredibly big swatch there, which I think is really nice. This is not numbered. I don't know if any of these big ones are. And it is player worn. I think with the vets, it's actually game worn. But with the rookies, it's player worn. So yep, that's it. It's a fast little break, less than 3 minutes. So, with the last few seconds, I'll say please like and subscribe. I would much appreciate it. Lots of good stuff on the horizon. Lots more products about to come in. Contests, store, breaks, goodies galore. Thanks everybody, take care. Bye bye.